And out to education, advanced mathematical research may appear abstract, but experts say it holds the key to cybersecurity, complex systems modeling, and national technological development. That was the focus as the University of Lagos hosted the third public lecture of the Pastor Enoch Adeboye Professorial Chair in Mathematics. Senior correspondent Sharon Ijason was there.
Beyond equations and algebraic symbols, the third public lecture of the Pastor Enoch Adeboye Professorial Chair in Mathematics brought into sharp focus how pure mathematics translates into real-world impact. The third chair occupier, Professor Temitope Jaiyeola, delivered a lecture titled Algebraic Structures and Their Applications to Cryptography and Complex Systems.
Nigeria as a nation, we are a country that is made up of so many tribes and ethnic groups, and we are finding it very difficult to even associate among ourselves. Poor understanding and all the like. So, but with the understanding of algebra, especially a property like associativity, as a nation we need to sit down and restructure our country in order to really become a nation. To be realistic, we are not yet really one until we sit down and agree on how we want to live and stay together.
Stakeholders at the event stressed the need to institutionalize interdisciplinary research, strengthen postgraduate training, and expand international collaborations to raise Nigeria's profile in specialized mathematics.
Most of the abstract branches of mathematics often produce most practical consequences. The security of our financial system, the protection of our digital communication, and many technologies that power modern life depend on mathematical ideas developed by scholars who simply refuse to stop asking questions.
The chair occupier is entrusted with advancing knowledge, mentoring young minds, and showing how mathematics can drive national development.
University of Lagos has utilized the first funding that was given to them very well. We want to encourage other people also, who have been blessed by God, to look at such initiatives. We need to invest in the next generation.
In his closing remarks, Professor Jaiyeola reaffirmed that deep abstract inquiry is not isolated scholarship, but a vital source of tools for encryption, complex system analysis, and broader societal problem solving. Sharon Ijason, TVC News.